Morning, Tom from Top 20. It's February 12th. Checking in on Wednesday here. Today's thought for the day is see the problem, own the problem. See the problem. There's plenty of problems in your schools. Today, let's go out of our way to pick one or two things that aren't necessarily part of our job description and maybe see if we can solve or at least get the wheels rolling on solving the problem. Remember, you're not necessarily in charge of the 7th grade girl crying in the hall or the stuff that got spilled on the floor or anything else you see in your school that needs doing. But today, if you just find a couple seconds to chip in and help out with this kid who's in need with a mess, whether it's a physical mess or an emotional mess, try to jump in and do something today. And if you're not able to do it, at least refer to the person to somebody who can. Hey, this is Tom from Top 20 Training. Bye.